Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn about if-else and operators in Unity. These are very important for making decisions in your code. What is if-else? If-else is a structure used in programming to make decisions. It runs different blocks of code based on whether a condition is true or false. How does it work? If the condition is true, the code inside the if block runs. The condition is false, the code inside the else block runs. If runs when the condition is true. Else runs when the condition is false. Else if helps your code make smart decisions. Hey everyone, if-else allows us to make decisions in our game based on different conditions. Let's start with a simple example using player names. We store the player's name in a string variable. If it is, we display a special message. Otherwise, the else block runs and shows a generic welcome message. As you can see, it recognized us and welcomed us. Now, let's run the else block and see the difference. Now, it won't recognize us and will execute the else block. If statements are widely used in Unity and have another important usage, which I've saved for the next lesson, it will be more detailed. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.